Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election held in Nigeria on February 25, 2023, and the result announced on March 1st, 2023. And that result is being challenged at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, from where it will get to the Supreme Court. And right now, Nigerians are waiting with bated breath for the outcome of the election through the Presidential Election Petition Court, which will be announced on Wednesday, September 6, 2023. However, while we are waiting on that, the statement or the speech delivered by retired Justice Mary Odili, retired Justice of the Supreme Court, which she made at the colloquium and book launch of Chief J.K. Gadzama as a senior advocate of Nigeria. 25 years of Gadzama as a senior advocate of Nigeria. The thing is still reverberating across the country because the woman made a lot of allegations concerning those who perceived that they were cheated in the election. And she said that feeling cheated in 2023 election doesn't justify blackmailing judges. I don't know what made her think like that, but I don't think that there is anybody blackmailing judges in Nigeria. No Nigerian, no matter how aggrieved, had the capacity to blackmail judges. Perhaps what she might interpret as blackmail is telling the judges to do their job according to their oath of office, and according to the law and evidence, according to justice, fairness, and equity, according to, in terms of the election, according to the Electoral Act, according to the law of precedent, according to the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. That is the thing that Nigerians are asking from the judges. And why are they asking that from the judges? Because judges have delivered judgments that even lawyers themselves are still trying to wrap their heads around it. So Nigerians are reminding them that they don't want to see that kind of judgment, whereby the judgment people will be scratching their head to try to understand what it's all about. For example, which we cannot stop giving. In the last presidential election primaries of the All Progressive Congress, the former Senate President, Ahmed Lawal, bought the 100 million naira form to contest that election to become the presidential candidate of the party. After he lost, he went back and the courts handed him the ticket as a senatorial candidate of the same APC to represent his senatorial zone in Yobe State. And right now, he's sitting pretty as the Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That's for somebody who contested for president. The same thing applies to Godswill Akpabio, former governor of Akwa Ibom State. He contested for the presidential ticket of the APC. He ended up picking the ticket of the APC again. And now he is the Senate president, sitting pretty. And people are wondering, what kind of magic is this? Even learned lawyers like Ulisa Bakoba, former president of Nigerian Bar Association, senior advocate of Nigeria. He said he couldn't understand how they arrive at those verdicts. If someone like him couldn't understand it, is it ordinary folks that will understand it? So these are issues of concern. So they are reminding the the judges who are sitting at at the election petitions across the country, and most importantly, the presidential election petition, that they should ensure that they follow the law, that they should ensure that there is clarity in their judgment, and not something that after the judgment have been delivered, people will be wondering what really happened. Okay? And those who followed the proceedings of the proceedings of the valedictory section of the Ninth Senate could see where even Rochas Okorocha, who contested for the presidential ticket of the APC and lost, was shocked that Ahmad Lawan was able to return to the 10th Senate. He was asking him, how did you do it? You need to write a book or something of that nature to educate us how this was possible. Even in that valedictory session, Nigerians saw Senator Bukachua revealing how his wife, how he uses his influence to use his wife, who was a former president of the Court of Appeal, to help his colleagues in their legal problems. The videos are everywhere. So these are the issues at stake. So when you remind the justices through social media, through the mountain of billboards, to tell them that, look, all eyes are on you, do the right thing, that's not blackmail. You can only blackmail somebody who has the propensity to do wrong, or somebody who have done wrong. Because if you didn't do wrong, nobody can blackmail you. You can't talk about being blackmailed. If you are a judge and you are ready to do justice to all, no matter whose ox is God, you can't be blackmailed by being reminded that all eyes are on you, by being reminded to do the right thing, by being reminded to deliver judgment that will show clarity of purpose, clarity of the law, and not something you will deliver. People will be looking at you with a problem. Okay? That's what Nigerians were saying since after the election. It wasn't a blackmail. Nobody said blackmailing anybody. And for you, in any case, for blackmail to take place, somebody must do something wrong before he is blackmailed anyway. While blackmail is illegal, I know that. But for you to be in a position that you could be blackmailed, it means you have done something wrong, which they are now using blackmail as a leverage over you. Okay, so in fact, that statement is like blackmailing the Nigerians who are requesting for the truth from the judges. They are being blackmailed. They want to silence them so that they will not talk, so that they will accept hook, line, and center whatever the judges delivered. Who does that in this jet age? Nobody does that, because the same judges, the books they read, other people have read them. The precedent they use in arriving at their conclusion, others have gone through them. There is nothing they are judging now, no judgment they are going to give now that is out of this world. Take, for instance, the issue of forfeiture, which will be part of the issues that they will tell us the status of Bola Ahmed Tinubu's forfeiture of $460,000 proceeds of narcotic to the United States government. What does forfeiture mean? This is not the first time that somebody has forfeited something. How did the Supreme Court of Nigeria deal with the issue of forfeiture? How are they going to deal with the issue of forfeiture for Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Bola Ahmed Tinubu have been accused by the petitioners of allegation of certificate forgery. How did the court go about it in previous matters? Nigerians can read all those. They know what happened to previous people who have had those issues. So they are waiting to see what the court will say. Because there is nothing new under the sun. They are accusing Tinubu of election rigging. It is not a new thing to accuse a declared winner of rigging. It is there. So if they are saving Tinubu, they will give reason why they are saving him. If they are not saving his victory, they give reason why they are doing that. It's as clear as that. So people follow all these things and know that there are procedures. If you follow these procedures, nobody can blackmail you. And if you are telling people not to ask for this, for transparency in the delivery of, delivery of judgment, it means you are the one that blackmailing them. You don't want their voices to be heard. You want them to shut up. You are now you now brought the issue of ethnicity. She now brought the issue of that these people are inspired by ethnicity, tribalism, and all that. Who are the people that promoted tribalism, ethnicity, and religion in this election more than the ruling party that ran on a Muslim ticket, that ran on the ground of a Milancon is our ethnic uh, ethnic group that deserve to produce the president. So the whole statement by that woman is contradictory. But I'm happy that most people have been uh, talking about it. And for her, she had gotten the message that people didn't take it lightly what she said. And that this, what she tried to do was to call out the people, not to talk. Because if they talk, say that they want transparency, it means that they are trying to blackmail the judges. That is not fair. Then she also talked about her claim that those who lost out, beside blackmailing the judges, that some of them are planning to bring down the roof, okay, to bring down the country. Nothing is far from the truth. Those who are asking for the right thing to be done about the election, they're not trying to bring down the roof. They're not trying to collapse the country. What they are trying to do, or what they want, from my understanding, is to make our democracy stronger, our democracy better, make our institutions better, that the courts should be able to do the right thing. It's not a call for arms. It is not a call for destruction. It is a call for the strengthening of the judiciary. It's a call for the strengthening of our democracy. It doesn't mean that when people condemn what is going on, condemn the outcome of the election, which they have a right to, because they were disappointed by the outcome of the election, despite all the promises that the Independent National Electoral Commission made to Nigerians. The promise of transmitting the result from the polling unit directly to the IRF so that Nigerians will see the outcome of the election on real time. That motivated many Nigerians, especially the youths, to go and register, to the level that so many first-time voters voted in the 2023 presidential election, believing that the INEC had mastered the technology with which to stop the riggers from rigging, only to find out on February 25 that INEC had really played a fast one on Nigerians. Because on that day, the INEC beavers, the beavers equipment, which was used for accrediting voters and the transmission of the result, it was able to transmit the result of the National Assembly election, the Senate and the House of Representatives, successfully through all the polling units across Nigeria. But when it gets to the turn of transmitting the presidential election results, the same equipment that was used the same second, the same minute, the same hour for National Assembly election could no longer transmit the presidential election result. That was when Nigerians realized that they have been conned. That was when Nigerians realized that the election was a sham. And at the end of the day, they were proven right. Look at the evidence that was presented by P2B's lawyers, that there were 18,088 blood results result sheet that was used. Nothing, nobody can read what was there, but that result 18,088 result sheet was used to announce the winner of the election. With which figure did you generate to give Aswan Bola Ahmed Tinubu 8.7 million votes, with which you declare him the winner? Up to today, even the European Union Observer Mission and several others are still scratching their head how the INEC arrived to the figure of declaring a winner of that election. These are realities. These are realities, and Nigerians are demanding answers to this. And when they demand for it, it is not a call for arms, it is not a call for violence, it is a call for due process, it is a call for accountability, it is a call for rule of law. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.